then, guys.
Rolling with Naomi Poulton. Why not, eh? Oh no! Go Poulton, it's your birthday. Never. Go on, boy, up the hill, up the hill. Go on, boy, keep it going, keep it going. Keep going, boy. You eat, you eat.
Yo.
Oh, never. I smell weed. Smells good. As if you're actually even turning. Oh, some control, bruh. Oh. It's still going. Never. And it's back to where he started. How'd you do it, man? That's like a whole, like, the whole park. Good lad, Mr. James. Say hello, Jamie.
I'm just camera shy.